Hi guys, do you need a friend? Perhaps searching for a cool tool? The list also includes a few nice items for audiophiles and Star Trek lovers. All of the products links are in the description below. Meet your new family member, a robot with many different features. Its camera has 1080p quality and can capture clear videos and clear photos. All of the files are neatly kept in the cloud where you can edit and share them with your friends and family. Additionally, the robot has built-in microphone and speakers for two-way audio communication. It can recognize the faces of people and animals and then follow them for some interaction. The robot is also intelligent enough to avoid obstacles and stop before falling downstairs when the battery is low. As for the controls, a dedicated app enables controlling this guy with a tap on the screen. The icing on the cake is that it will entertain your pet as well. Looking for a little portable knife to cut a piece of paper or a box? This one has a lanyard hole, so you can attach it to your bag or jacket. It's also really sharp and useful whenever you need it. Oh, and in case you like small pens, here's another way to open the letter and assign $1 million contract with a ballpoint pen. This is like a hydrofoil bike for bikes. It mostly looks like a regular bike, but it has a hydrofoils instead of wheels that keep it afloat. The propeller is turned by a pedal, but you can turn on 400-watt electric motor and move on to electric traction. The aluminum frame with carbon fiber part is light and strong, so it's ready for the wildest adventures. As for riding, it takes some time to learn how to ride on water, but there are several ways to get going. Once you have mastered the bike, you can go up to 20 miles per hour for up to 4 hours on one charge. The bike weighs about 65 pounds and is easy to take apart, so it won't be hard to carry. Introducing the most impressive home theater in the most portable body ever. This 4K laser projector uses advanced tricolor laser technology. So first of all, its 3600 ANSI lumens brightness gives you a super bright and crisp image even in a room full of light. Additionally, it was created in collaboration with Dyne Audio and offers incredible surround sound. Finally, buffs surround sound certification from Dolby Audio and DTS HD, so it will transport you anywhere from deep sea trenches to steaming jungles. There are several connectors available for connecting your devices, but you can just mirror your smartphone or computer to see all of your 3D movies on a huge 100-inch screen. It might be quite difficult to unwind in the daily bustle, but this tool will enable you to do so when you need it the most. Place this mesmerizing solar-powered kinetic sculpture in a sunny location, and it will begin to spin on its own. You can easily change the spiral's direction with a wave of the included magnetic wand, so you can relax and watch the spiral move. The spiral is made of beautiful aquamarine recycled fishing nets, and it appears to spin indefinitely beneath a borosilicate glass dome. Some insane 3D printing enthusiasts have produced some of the most amazing pop culture inspired headphone stands. You will also choose one of these holders for your controller, making a full set of the greatest holders ever. Just look how realistic they are. This is a tribute to the Star Trek universe, and every fan will recognize the famous Star Trek symbol badge right away. This is a 1-to-1 copy. Yes, this thing is made of zinc alloy, so it will last. On the back, there is a hole, so you can wear it as a necklace. But here is the secret. It's actually a flash drive that works with all the Type A and Type C devices, like cameras, laptops, smartphones, and so on. With the USB 3.1 interface, it will transfer all your data quickly, but you would better hurry because it is official merchandise and there are only 10,000 of them. This is a mood lamp that can be used for any occasions. The soft light and customizable colors are great, but the app also has a lot of other cool features. For example, you can set an alarm or change the LED display to show the time and weather. This lamp also has a built-in speaker that you can use to wake you up in the morning, calm you down at night, or throw a party and make the lights dance to the beat of your favorite song. Last but not least, there will be a boat in the middle that will charge your phone. Meet your pocket doctor. It's a revolutionary device that uses high-quality photoelectric sensors and electrodes to accurately track key health indicators. Press the electrodes with both thumbs for 60 seconds, and the device will quickly measure 15 important health parameters, such as heart rate, blood oxygen level, fatigue, and so on. This thing also uses AI technology and an online health service to provide professional analysis and consultation. The dedicated app will show you all the results and let you know if you're okay. If you're not, it will give you some recommendations about your physical activity, diet, and lifestyle. You can save all your results and even send them to your doctor with a touch of a button. This will make every shower feel like a spa. The idea is simple. Put an unfolded blanket, bath sheet, or bathrobe in the warmer and close the lid. Press a button to set the timer for 15, 13, 45, or 60 minutes, and then relax in the tub where the warmer hits your bathrobe. The device will turn off automatically when the time is up, and the hot surface indicator light will turn off to let you know when the fabrics are safe to touch. You should also check out this thing to complete the set. It's a wipe warmer that can hold up to 100 standard baby wipes and easily dispense them through a flip-top lid. It also has a soft glow night light that will turn off after 10 minutes of use. This is a smart device that will protect your lawn. It will mow your grass using artificial intelligence to plan its route. You can set the area, time, and length of grass you want. It can also make decorative lines or patterns to your lawn. It will also water your plants and adjust the water pressure based on how close it is to the target. It will also kill weeds in your garden using its built-in camera to target only weed plants. Another great thing about this garden tool is that it can tell the difference between pests and birds and mammals. Using a pesticide will shoot water at the pets to scare them away. Overall, the device doesn't need to be watched over and will even refuel itself when it needs to. Take a look. It's something every gamer will like. It's a mechanical programmable ergonomic keyboard with mechanical key switches and onboard programming. The best thing about it is that it's split in half so that it fits better on the shoulder. The other pro is that you can customize it as much as you want. You can change the angle to make it more comfortable for your hands, or you can easily swap out the switches for any key. You can also program multiple functions for each key. The keyboard has built-in wrist rest, but you can fold them out of the way and attach them magnetically to the bottom of the keyboard. Key clusters with hotkeys also added several points to the score. Riding on rough, cracked, and hole-filled roads is a disaster. This device will make your arms, wrists, and shoulders feel better. It works with a wide variety of handlebars and is easy to set up. The spring-down design for 0.75 inches of travel. It does a good job of taming high-frequency vibration and smaller jolts, but it won't take the sting out for bigger hits. There are 3 different springs that can be changed to fit your writing style, and the terrain you can also choose between a 7° or 13° angle, depending on whether you want to write fast or slowly. Overall, it might feel strange at first, but your upper body will thank you later. Who said that physics is dumb? It's time to have some fun with the Tesla coil, but first you have to put it together from scratch. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. The kit comes with everything you need and a guide. When you're done, get ready to see beautiful artificial lighting with sparks to 4 inches long. It can easily light bulbs, but you can also connect it to a computer or a keyboard to play music. This small device cleans your turntable stylus with ultrasonic waves and has a pressure gauge built into it. First, put a few drops of water on the stylus and put it in the device to get rid of the dirt and dust. Then flip the device over and adjust the tracking force to get the right sound and keep your records last longer. The whole process is easy and will take less than a minute. It's quick and easy to use, and you can take it with you. This makes cleaning easy and enjoyable.